Hey folks, Steve Sacramento here again. I just want to make this quick video to show you all of the illegal fireworks that were shot off all around the Sacramento metropolitan area on July 4th, 2022. As you can see in the beginning of this video, it is illegal to shoot off fireworks that leave the ground. Well, you can see a lot of them in this video that are not staying on the ground. And I just want to thank everybody for risking your hard earned money that you may or may not be fined via mail for all these wonderful fireworks. Thank you.